Hi friends, good morning. Next video from Dhruva Entertainment and Vidu classes. Friends, very important question friends. This is from intermediate second year. That is NCERT class 11 friends. Okay. From unit 5 chapter 18 of NCERT friends. Unit 2A of IPE intermediate public exam. Okay friends, that is body fluids and circulation. What is our question friends? Describe the structure of the heart of man with the help of neat label diagram. Friends, here you may have 3 to 5 videos friends for this question, for this LQ. This is a long essay or LQ, long question friends. Okay, this is first video friends. What is that? Structure of heart. Okay, now see friends. Now first we will take introduction of the heart friends. See, the heart is mesodermal in origin friends. See, the heart is mesodermal in origin. It is a muscular organ, thick-walled muscular organ, and it is a pulsating organ friends. It is mesodermal in origin. It has thick walls. It is a thick-walled muscular organ and it is a pulsating organ friends. See, where do we have our heart friends? The heart is situated in the thoracic cavity in between two lungs friends. The heart is present in the thoracic cavity friends. This is our thoracic cavity, this is abdominal cavity. The heart is present in the thoracic cavity in between two lungs friends. You know friends, the cavity present between two lungs is called as mediastinum. So, it is situated in the thoracic cavity in between two lungs, that is mediastinum. Friends, very important. What is mediastinum? Mediastinum is the place which is present in between two lungs. Okay friends, this heart is slightly tilted towards the left side. See friends, we have our heart towards the left side of the thoracic cavity in between two lungs, that is in the mediastinum. Next friends, one other important point. Heart fits in the cardiac notch of the left lung. You know friends, left lung has a notch that is called as cardiac notch. This cardiac notch gives shelter to the heart. So here you have to remember two words friends. One is mediastinum and the other one is cardiac notch. What is mediastinum friends? Mediastinum is the place which is present in between two lungs. What is cardiac notch? Cardiac notch is the notch which is present in the left lung. Okay, this is about the introduction of the heart. Once again friends, the heart is mesodermal in origin. It is a thick-walled muscular and pulsating organ. It is situated in the thoracic cavity between two lungs, that is in the mediastinum, slightly tilted towards the left side. It is present in the left side friends. Heart fits in the cardiac notch of the left lung. Left lung has cardiac notch. Okay friends. Now here you see one or two MCET point friends. What is pulsating organ? The organ which expand and contract with strong movements is called as pulsating organ friends. Next, what is mediastinum? The region which is present in between two lungs is called as mediastinum. What is cardiac notch? Notch present in the left lung. Friends, this yellowish color please no need to write in the IP. This is for MCET and NEET friends. Okay. Now come to the shape of the heart friends. Our heart, our human heart is cone shaped structure. It has a broad base friends. Here the upper part is called as broad base and the lower one is called as apex. It has broad base, that is upper part, and narrow apex, that is lower part. Friends, this apex means the narrow apex, the lower part, slightly turned towards the left side. Friends, what is the shape of the heart? Cone shape. What type of base it has? Broad base, that is upper part of the heart. What type of lower part it has? Narrow apex, that is the lower part. It turns which side friends? It turns towards the left side. Now come to the size, friends. The size of the heart is clenched fist, friends. Clenched fist. Biginchina pidigli, friends. Length is what, friends? 5 inches in males, 3.5 inches in females. Now come to weight, friends. In males, it weighs 300 grams, in females 250 grams. 300 grams in males. What is the heart? Weight of the heart, friends. Heart. 300 grams in males, 250 grams in females. Now see, friends, pericardium. Pericardium. Peri means around, friends. Cardium means heart. See, pericardium means these are the layers which are present around the heart. These are not the layers of the heart, friends. They are present above the heart, around the heart. Pericardium. See, friends, it is a membrane which surrounds the heart. What is pericardium? Pericardium is a membrane which surrounds the heart. Okay, friends? Heart is covered by a double membrane pericardium, friends. We have two pericardia. Double membrane pericardium. What are those two, friends? One is outer pericardium, second one is inner pericardium. Outer pericardium is called as, friends, outer fibrous pericardium, and the inner one is called as serous pericardium. Outer fibrous pericardium, inner serous pericardium. See, friends, we have two pericardia, outer and inner. Outer one is called as fibrous pericardium, inner one is called as serous pericardium, friends. Now come to serous pericardium, friends. Serous pericardium once again divided into, or it has two layers. Serous pericardium is a double layer structure. It has an outer parietal layer and inner visceral layer, friends. See, friends, once again, serous pericardium has two layers, outer parietal layer, inner visceral layer. Next, very, very important, friends. Parietal layer fused with the fibrous pericardium. See, friends, parietal layer is the outer serous pericardium. It fuses with whom, friends? It fuses with the fibrous pericardium. Means it is present below the fibrous pericardium. The visceral layer forms the outer layer of the heart, that is epicardium. See, friends, next we will discuss about the epicardium. What is epicardium? It is the outer layer of the heart. That epicardium is formed by whom, friends? By the visceral layer of the heart. Pericardium. Okay, friends. That is about the what, friends? Pericardium. Here important thing, friends. The two layers. What are those two layers? Parietal layer and visceral layer are separated by a narrow pericardial fluid. Parietal layer and visceral layer are separated by a narrow pericardial space. The narrow space, the space present between parietal layer and visceral layer is called as pericardial space. Friends, what is pericardial space? The space present between outer parietal layer and inner visceral layer is called as pericardial space. Okay, friends. This pericardial space is filled with whom, friends? Is filled with pericardial fluid. See, friends. The pericardial space is filled with what, friends? Pericardial fluid. Then what is the use of the pericardial fluid? This pericardial fluid reduces the friction between the two membranes. What are those two membranes, friends? Outer parietal layer and inner visceral layer, and allows free movement of the heart. So it reduces the friction between two membranes of the heart. Okay, friends, that is about the pericardium. Once again, friends, here you have to remember what are those two layers. What are those two layers, friends? Outer fibrous pericardium, inner serous pericardium. Inner serous pericardium once again divided into two layers. What are they? Outer parietal layer, inner visceral layer. Okay, friends. Now one or two neat questions, friends. Pericardial cavity is the true coelom, friends. You know, friends, true coelom present between parietal layer and visceral layer. These two are mesodermal layers. So here, the true coelom, the pericardial cavity acts as a true coelom. Next, outer fibrous pericardium is made up of dense, irregular connective tissue and has collagen fibers. The outer fibrous pericardium, you know, friends, it is made up of what, friends? It is made up of dense, irregular connective tissue and collagen fibers. Friends, this is for MSET and NEET. This yellowish one for MSET and NEET, friends. Okay, friends? Now come to the heart walls. Friends, walls of the heart. As of now, we discuss about the layers which are present around the heart, friends. Now we'll go to what, friends? Walls of the heart. Okay, friends? Heart walls consist of 3 layers. What are they, friends? Outer epicardium, middle myocardium, inner endocardium. ఫ్రెండ్స్, హృదయపు గోడలలో 3 పొరలు ఉంటాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. బయటి పొరను ఎపికార్డియం అంటాం, మధ్య పొరను మయోకార్డియం అంటాం, లోపలి పొరను ఎండోకార్డియం అంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. నౌ టేక్ దీస్ 3 layers, ఎపికార్డియం, myocardium and endocardium. What is epicardium? Friends, epicardium, it is the outer layer of the heart, friends. What is epicardium, friends? It is the outer layer of the heart. Friends, what is epicardium? Epicardium is the outer layer of the heart. It is formed by visceral layer of the serous pericardium. See, friends, epicardium is formed by whom? Visceral layer of the serous pericardium. That is very, very important, friends. What is epicardium? It is the outer layer of the heart. It is formed by the visceral layer of the serous pericardium. Okay, friends? Now come to the myocardium. Myocardium is the middle layer, friends. It is a thick layer. It is made up of cardiac muscles, cardiomyocytes, cardiac muscle cells. What is myocardium? Myocardium is the middle layer of the heart walls. It is a thick layer of the heart walls. It is made up of cardiac muscle cells or cardiomyocytes. Okay, friends? That is about the myocardium. Now, come to the endocardium, friends. Endocardium is the innermost layer of the heart, friends. It is a thin layer of the endothelium, friends. Endothelium. See, friends, the epithelial layer which is present inside the body parts is called as endothelium. It is made up of, or it is a derivative of endoderm. This endothelium, very, very important, friends, also covers the heart walls and also continues the endothelial lining of the large blood vessels connected to the heart. This endothelium is the inner layer of the heart, friends. It also covers the heart valves, friends. Heart valves. What are those valves, friends? Aorta, valves of the aorta, sebaceous valve, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, etc., friends. Okay, friends? That is about what, friends? First video of the human heart. In the next video, we'll discuss about what, friends? External structure of the human heart. Okay, friends? Thank you. Good day.